Hi YouTube, George here. I hope you're well and happy. I was playing around here with this little Sharp 40 channel AM. This is a Sharp 2460, more commonly referred to as the little window. The size of the signal meter is very small. They're the smaller cousin of them. That's the big window AM SSB, and I have a few of them. Just going through stuff here, making an inventory of what I have. So I'm going to keep one for myself for the collection, and I'm going to sell the rest. So they will be very cheap, plus whatever it costs to get them to you wherever you are, be that the UK or wherever else you are. So just bear that in mind. A lot of people's CB career started off with something like this, this or the AR7. Yeah, so nice little set. Nice to have, you know, listen to the Super Bowl when it's on the go. This one is missing the little missing the little perspex window that goes in here. See, number 9 flashes. It used to be the emergency channel. Plug a mic into it, see does it work. Come on. That's stiff. Audio. Yeah, she works. Put on the dummy load and see exactly what it's doing. That doesn't want to come out. Dummy load. 4 watts there. 1, 2. Yeah, so it works anyway. So I'll probably keep, as I said, one for myself. I'll offload the rest, and what we'll do now is we'll go through this one and we'll clean it up and get it put away. So we'll be back. Alright, so there we go. That's the same one. All new screws, secret sauce, cleaned up the chrome, done the knobs and the ultrasonic bat, touched up the raised silver lettering, touched in any damage there was on the bezel. They tend to chip along the corners here, so it's chrome underneath. The whole thing was chromed, and then they just blacked out the other bits, so you have to be careful with it. But that's a nice example of the mark. Put in our screen here. Our diffuser just took one out on the other ones. So I'm going to go through the rest of them now, see what's working, what's not, and I'll stick that into the end of this video. So if you're interested in having one of these for nostalgia's sake, let me know. They will be cheap, and whatever it costs to get them to you. So we'll be back. Right, so I went through them all. I've 4 left in various states. Let's see now. Number 2 and number 3 are hardwired. Number 1 and number 4 have the original power socket still. They all work fine, as in they transmit and receive. Number 1 is missing the disc off the channel selector, so is number 2. You can see the way the chrome is chipped on that one there. Not as bad on this one, but still a few bits of chipping on it. But these can be cleaned up if you know what you're doing. Number three is missing the cover that goes on here. I took that off for my one. This has the disc on the channel selector and it's working fine. Number 4 is working fine. I have a note there, the encoder is stiff to turn. It works okay, but it's very stiff. These are detented, whereas this one, the detent is not as pronounced for some reason. You can hear it on that. This one, you can feel it, but you can't hear it. But it works okay. Like I said, these will be very cheap. Let's say €25 each, plus whatever they'll cost to get them to wherever you are. I think that's a fair price. Let me know what you think, and we'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.